Alright guys, today we are taking a deep dive into the Huawei Band 11 Pro, and I have to say this one seriously surprised me. This is not just another basic fitness band trying to look premium. This actually feels like Huawei stepped things up in design, display, tracking, and even health features. If you enjoy honest hands-on tech reviews like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and drop a like right now because it really helps the channel grow and lets me keep bringing you more content like this. First off, let's talk design because that is the first thing you notice when you put this on. The Huawei Band 11 Pro has a super clean metallic look with a CNC-cut aluminum alloy case that feels way more premium than most bands in this category. It is incredibly slim at just 8.99 millimeters, and on the wrist it almost disappears. It is lightweight, comfortable, and honestly looks more like a mini smartwatch than a typical fitness tracker. You get options like green, blue, and black, with either a breathable fluoroelastomer strap or a woven nylon strap, and both feel great during workouts and all-day wear. Now the display is where things really start to shine. You are looking at a 1.62-inch AMOLED panel with a 60 Hz refresh rate, and it is 27% larger compared to the previous generation. But the real headline here is brightness. It can go up to 2000 nits. That is insanely bright for a band. I tested it outdoors in direct sunlight and everything was crystal clear. Notifications, workout stats, watch faces, all easy to read at a glance. And yes, it supports always-on display if you want that watch-style experience. Speaking of watch faces, you get over 100 options to play with. You can customize widgets, colors, layouts, and really make it match your vibe. Whether you want something sporty, minimal, or playful with animated themes, there is a lot to explore. Feels personal, not just functional. Now let's get into fitness tracking because this is where the Huawei Band 11 Pro really levels up. The biggest upgrade here is autonomous GNSS positioning. That means you can track your outdoor runs, cycling routes, and distance with much better precision. I took it out for a few runs and the route tracking was impressively accurate for a band this size. It tracks distance, pace, speed, and calories, and it even gives you running form analysis like contact time balance to help improve posture and reduce injury risk. For runners, it can actually predict your race performance based on your training data. That is a feature you usually see on more expensive watches. Cyclists are covered too with auto pause detection, so if you stop at a light, it stops tracking until you move again. It also creates shareable workout posters with your metrics, which is perfect if you like posting your stats on social media. And it is not just running and cycling. You get over 100 workout modes including yoga, strength training, rope skipping, and more. So whether you are hitting the gym, training at home, or going outdoors, this band keeps up with you. Now let's talk health tracking because this is where Huawei is pushing some serious innovation. The band offers enhanced sleep tracking with detailed sleep phase analysis and heart rate variability monitoring. You can see your average sleep HRV, heart rate, and SpO2 levels, and it gives you insights to help improve recovery. It even has sleep breathing awareness that can detect potential breathing disruptions during the night. On top of that, you get 24/7 heart rate monitoring, continuous SpO2 tracking, and something called pulse wave arrhythmia analysis. This feature can provide fib alerts using the built-in PPG sensor technology. Now, of course, this is not a medical device, but having that level of insight on your wrist is impressive for a fitness band. There is also an emotional well-being assistant. It tracks your mood trends and even displays playful-themed watch faces that react throughout the day. And if you are feeling stressed, you can swipe over and start guided breathing exercises right from your wrist. It is a small thing, but in a busy day, that quick reset can make a difference. For female users, there is cycle tracking with reminders, and you can even create a health community inside the Huawei Health app to monitor family members' stats like heart rate and steps. That is actually a really cool way to stay connected and look out for each other. When it comes to smart features, the Huawei Band 11 Pro handles the essentials really well. You get call and message notifications right on your wrist. You can decline calls or send preset replies. There is a remote shutter feature for taking photos from your phone, which is perfect for group shots or selfies from a distance. You also get tools like weather, compass, calculator, and calendar reminders to keep your day organized. Now, battery life is another strong point. Inside is a 300 mAh battery that can last up to 8 days with regular use, and up to 14 days with lighter use. Even with more features turned on like continuous health monitoring, it easily gets through the week. And if you enable always-on display, you are looking at around 3 days, which is still respectable. Compatibility is broad too. It works with both Android and iOS through the Huawei Health app, so you are not locked into one ecosystem. Setup is simple, syncing is smooth, and the app gives you detailed breakdowns of all your data. Overall, the Huawei Band 11 Pro feels like a serious upgrade in the fitness band category. You get a premium slim design, an ultra-bright AMOLED display, independent GNSS for accurate outdoor tracking, advanced sleep and heart monitoring features, emotional well-being tools, and solid battery life all packed into one sleek device. For anyone who wants smartwatch-level insights without the bulk of a full-size watch, this hits a really sweet spot. If you found this review helpful and you want more hands-on tech content like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. It really supports the channel, and I will catch you guys in the next one.